Hi seashells, it's Shelby and I am back with another video. So today I am here with Monk. So today we're going to customize my old Air Force 1's. As you can see, we did both to dash them away because this just look crony. And yeah, he's going to transform them into something wonderful.
From beat to heat.
So yeah, if you want to see what we're gonna do to my shoes, then keep on watching.
Oh, don't do it. Oh my god.
So it's prep time, and you can see I'm changed now. Hope I don't get copyrighted. So yeah.
Early, you know, we look me confidence. Alright, so for the next step, we are going to prep the shoe. You see me? And first thing we are going to use a cosmetic acetone. Right? It's very poisonous. Do not drink it. See? We're going to use cotton balls. Cotton ball. You see me? Basically what it remove the factory coating or the factory protective coating from off the shoe so that the paint will stick to the material. So let's go. I'm gonna do the first one. I just repeat after me. Okay. Alright, so if you do shoes with color, be careful when you use the acetone because you might remove paint where you don't want to remove. So if you only are going to custom or paint one area, is me bear in mind, do not let the acetone catch the other areas. I suggest using tape.
To be honest with you, man, she's a
bad thing, fine as hell, thick as f. Oh my god, that's my baby. Caroline, you divine, mighty fine. Shorty really blow the pipe like a pro.
You thought.
The next step, I have to tape the shoe. So you have to tape off the areas where you don't want to paint up. At least not yet. So in this case, I'm going to tape off here, so the swoosh and the back.
Bang.
So now we're going to start shoes, and I have to change my shirt because if you see me, I'll get pinned on my shirt. Make a sad mistake. Not work. First of all, I can't wash. Second of all, this costs a lot. After we do the acetone and the taping.
Tape, yeah. So now me and grandma are go splash some paint. This is where the fun begins.
Yeah. Let's go. these are what those shoes are looking like so far. No worry, it's not going, it might look crowded, but you know, some of the tape are gonna come off still, and so and so and so.
That's when you realize,
you know, young rich niggas, you know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, get it fucking up, fucking shit, that. Cooking it with in the pot. Came from nothing to something, nigga. Don't try to call up the king and they come in the game. Me, you really give you a push. Bad and bullshit, fast. Cooking up with a Uzi. My niggas are savage. We got 100 rounds. Cooking up with a Uzi. My niggas are savage. We got 100 rounds.
So guys, you've come to the end of the video. Here are the finished results.
seashell ones.
Yes, the seashell ones. So yeah, if you want to get your shoes customized, and you know, he'll have his
Instagram, right here.
his Instagram will be somewhere here, and all his other links will be down in the description box.
What if you don't?
So yeah,
Inside the description
just
box.
stick me, same difference.
What?
So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in my next video.
And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take time on it. They want me, but I'm getting on it. They want me,
Yeah, now we are finished prepping the shoes. We're done acetone and taping it up, and are looking like somebody's grandma, but disrespectful, as I was saying, looking like somebody's grandma, but you first. You first. Wait, this is the record? This never the record.
No, I don't think so.
It is now.
Oh, it's not.
Okay, yeah. So now we're about to make the first splash.
Okay, so the first color we are going to use is
Blue.
Shelby blue.
Seashell blue. Oh my god. Can't believe I'm doing this to my shoe. Ready?
Teeth.
Stop!
Yeah, miss.
Not like how this I gonna look at me afraid.
Go on, just go on. If you spoil, why you gonna spoil that?
Just feel like you know.
Just don't tune on for me. Yeah. I mean,
Why not go more typical?
yeah. Shelby Picasso on them big artists. $1 million work.
Well, you have come to
Yo,
the.
that Africa start.
Yes. Yes.
One fool, mate, you know.